Could this be your house hack property? House hack alert, here's the property and the exact numbers. Most people see a home as an expense, but what if it could pay you every month? That's house hacking. Whether you're cutting living costs or hunting for your next investment, this strategy can change how you see real estate. What if you could buy a home and have it pay part of your mortgage every month? In this video, I'll run the numbers on a real property to see if it works as a house hack, show you how to buy one, and reveal whether the payment could actually fit your budget, but the results might surprise you. We'll break down 3 scenarios: the payment without house hacking, the payment with house hacking, and the payment with house hacking using a renovation loan. Which option works best for you? Hi, my name is Jeff. As a loan officer, here is a property that has the potential to be transformed into a house hack property. This means purchasing a property and using part of it, like a basement or additional dwelling unit, for rental income, which can offset your mortgage and even create extra cash flow. The scenario below is for illustration purposes only and should not be considered a guarantee. Here is an example of an active listing and the financing numbers to purchase it. This is a listing in Ypsi, Michigan. The MLS number is 25028631, listed by National Realty Centers. If you're in the market for a property, send me any MLS number you're considering, and I'll provide the financing numbers for that property, just like in this video. Can you guess the monthly payment on this property? Once the rental income kicks in, how much does it actually reduce the monthly payment, and how low could your final payment really be? Today, I'm going to show you 2 scenarios for buying this property, one with a standard FHA loan and one with a FHA renovation loan, so you can see exactly how the numbers work. Start your pre-approval today. Apply online at lendhomeloans.com to finance your next property. Let's start with the basics. This single-family home is priced at $475,000 with 3.5% down is $16,625, and your final loan amount with upfront mortgage insurance added would be $466,396.56. Now, with a strong 720 credit score, a lender paid compensation, and a 30-year fixed loan at 6.117% interest, the APR comes to 6.380%. That gives you a monthly principal and interest payment of $2,831.46. Add in taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance, and your total monthly payment is $3,338.57. This property is listed 5 minutes from a community college and a hospital. If the basement is ready to rent as a mother-in-law apartment for $1,300 a month, that rental income could be applied toward your mortgage, reducing your out-of-pocket payment to just $2,038.57 per month. Were you able to guess what the monthly payment drops to after rental income? Was it lower than you expected? Our renovation loans allow you to include the cost of repairs or upgrades directly into your mortgage, whether you're buying a property that needs work or improving your current home. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you used a renovation loan to convert the basement into a mother-in-law apartment. In this example, let's say the labor and material cost $37,500, adding standard soft costs, and the contingency added. The total cost to purchase this property would be $519,750. The down payment of 3.5% is $18,191.25. The same terms as before, except the interest rate is 6.875% and the APR is 7.140%. The total payment, including PITI, taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance, is $3,889.34. A renovation loan to remodel the basement in this property could cost as low as $550.88 more than the previous FHA loan. In this example, the basement was remodeled into a working mother-in-law apartment for $1,300 a month. For comparison, if this property were purchased with a standard FHA loan, the total payment would be $3,338.57. However, with a FHA renovation loan, fixing up the basement and applying the $1,300 in monthly rent reduces your payment to $2,589.34. If you're exploring properties and would like me to run the numbers to see what your payment could look like with a renovation loan, give me a call. Jeff, 801-548-2627. Ready to get pre-approved to purchase or refinance a property? If you're ready to take the next step, Skip the guesswork and get fully pre-approved. Submit your mortgage application now at lendhomeloans.com, and let's start turning your home goals into reality. Curious what you qualify for without pulling credit? You don't need to run your credit to explore your buying potential. Just answer 12 quick questions to get a personalized idea of what price range you could qualify for at lendhomeloans.com/afford. Jeff has been a licensed loan officer since 2001 and has helped countless clients purchase and refinance properties. He makes the financing process easy and stress-free, calling his approach Simple Home Loans. Ready to finance your next property? Call Jeff at 801-54-82627, email jeff@lendhomeloans.com, or apply online at lendhomeloans.com today. Jeff Carlston, Loan Officer NMLS number 315077, Augusta Lending, Utah. NMLS number 353774, Align Lending. Michigan NMLS number 2041154, Equal Housing Lender. This is an example scenario provided for illustrative purposes only and is not a guaranteed offer or a commitment to lend. Rates are current as of 8/19/2025 and may change. Figures are educational only. Additional terms, conditions, and eligibility requirements may apply. Financing is subject to credit approval and lender guidelines. Equal Housing Lender.